Welcome to this tutorial. How to do a poll on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. If you are not logged in, then tap on the phone or email text field and type your email that is registered with your Facebook account. Type your Facebook password and tap on the Login button. After logging into Facebook, you will see the Reel section. Tap on Create Story with the plus sign icon. To create a story, select a picture from your phone gallery. Tap on the stickers at the top right of the story screen. You will find the poll option on the next screen, so tap on it to create a poll. Now, write a question that relates to your picture, like here. I am going to ask a question. Do you like Rose? Below the question, you will find two answer options, yes or no. Tap on the Share button to post your story with poll on Facebook. In the second method, we will create a poll on Facebook using PC. Open your web browser. Type facebook.com in the web address bar. Log in with your email and Facebook password. After login to Facebook, click on the groups from the left panel. Now, select a group, like here. I am clicking on this tech group. Click on the Write Something text field. From the Create Post window, click on the three horizontal dots of the More menu. Click on the poll from the Posts list. Write your question and write the answers in the Options text fields. Click on the gear icon next to Add Option button. Deselect the checkbox of Allow anyone to add options. Click on the Post button. We have successfully created a poll on Facebook by using PC. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.